Do you struggle to find calm and focus in your busy mornings? Imagine starting your day with peace and purpose, guided by ancient Taoist wisdom. Welcome to Cosmic Philosophies. Today, we explore 7 morning habits inspired by Taoist principles that can transform your day. Habit 1. Wake up with nature. The first habit is to wake up with nature. Align your waking time with the natural rhythms of the sun. This simple practice helps you feel more connected and energized. As Lao Tzu said, nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Waking up with the sun helps us sync with nature's pace. Habit 2. Mindful breathing. Start your day with mindful breathing. Take a few minutes to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, grounding yourself in the present moment. Remember the wisdom of Lao Tzu. The breath of life moves through a deathless valley of mysterious motherhood which conceives and bears the universal seed. Habit 3. Gentle movement. Next, engage in gentle movement. Practices like Tai Chi or simple stretching help to awaken your body, improve circulation, and prepare you for the day ahead. In the words of Lao Tzu, a good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving. Gentle movement helps you travel through your day with ease and flexibility. Habit 4. Drink warm water. Drink a glass of warm water. This Taoist practice aids digestion, hydrates your body, and kickstarts your metabolism. Lao Tzu reminds us, water is fluid, soft, and yielding, but water will wear away rock, which is rigid and cannot yield. Start your day as fluidly as water. Habit 5. Morning meditation. Incorporate morning meditation. Spend a few minutes in silent reflection or guided meditation to clear your mind and set positive intentions for the day. Lao Tzu said, "Silence is a source of great strength." Morning meditation helps you tap into that strength. Habit 6. Connect with nature. Take a moment to step outside, feel the fresh air, and appreciate the natural world around you. This practice helps you feel grounded and calm. As Lao Tzu observed, a wise man is one who knows what he does not know. Nature reminds us of the vastness of what we can learn. Habit 7. Practice gratitude. End your routine by practicing gratitude. Reflect on the things you are grateful for. This shifts your mindset to positivity and sets a harmonious tone for the day. Lao Tzu said, "Be content with what you have. Rejoice in the way things are." When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. By incorporating these 7 Taoist-inspired habits into your morning routine, you can start each day with peace, purpose, and positivity. Try them out and transform your mornings. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Taoist morning habits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Cosmic Philosophies for more insights into ancient wisdom and practical tips for modern living. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have many more fascinating explorations of philosophies from around the world coming up. Until next time, stay balanced and stay inspired.